Kanglaipak Historical and Cultural Research Center na sinjalangjaduna Center asimaki lamjing purel oibiramba ahali ibungo wangkhemcha chingtamle na laikhidabagi ahan baningsing thoram pangthok chabaga loinana aiba asina ibiramba lairik singi maraktagi Kanglaipak The Cradle of Men haiba lairik asigi third edition phongbagi thoram ama ing chaichat July gi tarik tara lisingani kunmanga ingen thagi thanin Yaifaraba Sagol Sen Numit, Lamlian Sagol Ban Tangjam Lairak Community Hall da Pangthokre. Thoram masida thoramgi laiteng oina phambak thakta lengsin bikiba singdi athoiba lengbirakpa oina kaisam ibomcha mangang ex executive engineer PHED Manipur senior board member lining thosana mahi temple board akhanna lengbirakpa oina maibam bisesor president International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA thoramapu oina Dr. Thangjam Ranjit retired associate professor of geology department DM College of Science, Dhanmanjari University of Manipur. Akhana balengbirakpa oina Phairoijam Achauba, retired high school teacher, Government of Manipur, loinana. Lairik naina bikhibi Dr. Priyadasni Maisnam, assistant professor, Department of History, SK Women's College, Nambol, Manipur. In this third edition, few minor changes have been made. Number 1, an all new front cover. Number 2, refinement of the English presentation. 3, improving photo clarity. The new cover features a world map depicting Kanglaipak at the center along with an image of Kaubru mountain top, giving both Kanglaipak and Kaubru mountain their respective honor and significance they deserve. Kanglaipak Historical and Cultural Research Center team. Kanglaipak, The Cradle of Men, hairiba lairik asi Royal Book House, Governor Road Maning Dalaiba bookstore asidagi pangbigani. The author dedicates this book to the ancestors of the indigenous Kanglaisas and the people of the world.